How to fix volume too low in HP laptop? First step, click sound icon in right bottom. Click open volume mixer and check. Under apps you need to check. For example, if Google Chrome sound is too low means maybe the volume is too low. So you need to increase the volume. For specific application it may vary. So you need to increase the volume, depends on you. Like this you need to check for your particular application you are using. Come to next step. One more time, click settings, click sound settings. Under speaker you need to click it, and here you need to check the volume, increase and decrease the volume, depends on you. After that you need to test, click test and test it. After testing, move on with next step. Click sound settings, scroll down, click more sound settings, click speaker, right click it, click properties, click level. Under level you need to check the volume. If it's low means you can increase. Click advanced tab. Enable audio enhancement option is there. You need to disable it and click apply and OK. Once applying, after you need to restart your device. After restart, move on with next step. Search for device manager. Click it. Click sound, video and game controllers. Right click the audio driver and update it. If you not know means you can go to the sound settings, check the drivers you are using, come back and update it. After update, restart your device. Thank you.